Not gonna lie, this is kind of dangerous. As you can see, we're in windy conditions, so it's really tough to make this work out. I don't know where I'm going, guys. The storm is picking up. Hello. Where do you come from?
Belgium.
Guys, I've got some Antwerp friends here. How did you come? Hitchhike also?
Train.
Oh, train. Okay, to do some hiking. Oh, what's up? There's a bike.
We were in a snowstorm.
Snowstorm? Today?
Yesterday.
Ah, okay, snowstorm yesterday.
1 meter 50.
Of snow?
Yes.
No. Alright guys, somebody took me here, let's go.
Je vais dans une petite entreprise qui vend des skis là.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Outdoorginger, vas-y. A month ago I was hitchhiking right at the same place to get up in the mountains. This time I'm going a different place. So that's really, yeah, it's funny to go back to these places where you have been. And now it's just a waiting game to see when the car will come. Wait. Alright guys, I was waiting for 1 hour here. And then, merci madame de me prendre. Merci madame. Ouais.
Beaucoup de neige, ben on est la première station enneigée, la dernière. Hein.
Ouais, je sais, ça c'est... It was the car that took me. It's really windy. It's cold, actually. We are in some great altitudes. Let's go, guys. I'm a little hungry here. Oh yeah. A lot of you guys are wondering whether I am in wilderness or not, but this is a true sign. You can see a skeleton here. Not sure quite what it is, don't want to say something wrong. But this is just crazy, man. Alright guys, I think I will go up there to see how it's like. Because I need a flat space and I'm searching for snow. It would be nice to find a snowy place. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Not gonna lie, this is kind of dangerous. I'm halfway up. So, but yeah, it's really slippery with the small stones. So I gotta be careful. Found this little tree here. Seems like heaven. That redwood cheese is just, oh, it's just gorgeous. Just amazing. I'm beginning to look for a camping spot here because time is running and sun is getting down within a couple hours. And I want to get myself ready for the night because they announced cold weather. This is flat and I'm ready to sleep on that. So here I have my sleeping bag, my tarp, everything just in this. Really practical, always practical to have telescopic things in the bag. It doesn't take space and it's quite effective. Marine nuts are always the most effective. Now the top is fixed with the 2 poles and I'm going to fix it in both sides. bring some gloves next time for sure. You can use the snow to not make it move. If you don't have tent stakes, you can use rocks or snow. Just make sure to put a lot of it, especially in this windy weather. Alright guys, so now in the tent. This is really primitive, and this model is if you really have nothing, because it's not the most comfort, but as you can see, you are sheltered. And when there are headwinds, let's say the wind comes from over here, you should do it this direction. If the wind comes from here, you have to do it this direction, right? So here I've got my sleeping mat. Get yourself in the sleeping mat like this. And yeah, the survival shelter is finished. As you can see, we're in windy conditions, so it's really tough to make this work out. But it will work even if there's rain. You can see I'm covered. So yeah. Oh. I don't know where I'm going, guys. The storm is picking up.